People lie. It's a fact of life, and this unfortunately includes marketers, gurus, and those trying to make money off of you online. Now, if you've been struggling to generate consistent income, then chances are you have been clinging to these lies and these misconceptions these so-called gurus have been feeding you. Now, on the flip side, many people are earning substantial commissions and enjoying hefty monthly paychecks. Now, this may leave you wondering if you've been on the wrong path, right? Investing effort into something that won't actually bear fruit. It's Garrett Berry here, and today I'm going to reveal to you the biggest lies affiliate marketing gurus have been giving you when it comes to making money online. Now, they skillfully use emotional tactics to sell you more products while withholding valuable information. So, having experience in affiliate marketing myself, I can personally confirm that this is the case. And there are actual scams out there you need to be aware of. Now, before I dive into the first misconception when it comes to affiliate marketing, if you want to discover the #1 way I personally legitimately make money with affiliate marketing and recommend you as well, be sure you go to the first link directly below. Now, the first misconception is affiliate marketing is not always quick riches. You know, you see these big claims, oh, I made 10K in 30 days with no work at all.
This is one of my favorite strategies for brand new affiliate marketers to make thousands of dollars every month without an audience, without paying any money.
And you may think that, you know, you can just instantly join with no experience and then suddenly get rich overnight. You've probably heard the hype, right? Now, affiliate marketing is often a very straightforward way to make money online. However, I want to clarify that while it can be more accessible compared to some other online business models, it is by no means effortless, right? Success in affiliate marketing still requires effort, dedication, and a strategic approach. If you're prepared to put in the work and show up each day and learn the necessary skills, you can absolutely find massive success and prosperity with affiliate marketing. But it's not a guaranteed get-rich-quick scheme. You know, the traditional brick and mortar businesses out there, like franchises you can own, often take several years to become profitable. So why do people think it's much different when it comes to online, right? Now, yes, there's a lot less overhead and there's a lot less moving pieces, so it's definitely faster when it comes to getting started. But again, you still have to show up, you still have to learn skills, and you still have to put in the time and the effort to reap those rewards. Now, the reason most gurus kind of tout affiliate marketing as this quick, rich scheme is because they really just want to sell you products and courses. You know, a lot of them, they, portray it as effortless. You just come in, click a button, and instantly you're making tons of money just so they can make a quick buck off of you. You know, you have to look through the lines, you have to do your due diligence, and you have to really look at who's actually, getting other people results, who's actually been putting in the time to teach real methods, right? To attain positive outcomes in affiliate marketing, it's very, very important to adopt a long-term perspective, especially if you're looking to build, substantial wealth, multiple six figures a year or even more. It's a long-term thing. If you want to help your family, if you want to give your kids, a college fund or, pay off, bills or live a luxury lifestyle, you want to look at it as a long-term process. Now, the second deception is that it requires no knowledge. People will say, oh, I made $500 with, zero knowledge, and I just came in and started, money rained down from the sky, and all this stuff.
Namaste everyone, Rajesh Chauhan here. Guys, how you can start your affiliate marketing journey with zero knowledge, guys. Zero knowledge.
And this revolves around the idea that you can just come in and it's magical that money will just pour into your bank account. The truth is you do need to possess an amount of knowledge and skill. The less you know, the longer it will take to actually turn nothing into something. Because if you think about this, every single thing you've gotten good at, whether it's playing a sport, whether it's learning a language, you had to get experience. Now, this isn't a bad thing, right? You should look at this as a fun game. You want to look at the ability to learn swiftly, right? So in any case, you'll need to have either knowledge or understand, how to do certain things. Now, another alternative is to hire individuals to handle tasks for you. Now, this may require a little bit of financial resources though, so you want to also think about that. If you want to just speed it up, you can find someone that knows how to do blogging or knows how to post on Facebook, and you can actually pay them to do that for you. This is called outsourcing, which is one quick way to really shortcut your learning curve. But there's so many gurus out there that, assert you can just instantly come in and, again, like in 24 hours after knowing nothing, start making thousands of dollars. You have to actually understand how it works, right? It is a skill, it is a process just like anything else. Now, understanding that it takes experience, what do you need to do? Well, it's absolutely vital to invest time into educating yourself with affiliate marketing before you proceed, right? Now, you don't want to get stuck in the trap of constantly learning and, never actually taking action. But you want to spend, at least 30 minutes a day set aside studying this if this is something you really want to do. Now, one of the other big misconceptions is people say affiliate marketing requires no investment. People will say, oh, I effortlessly made millions of dollars with affiliate marketing without ever spending a dime.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with affiliate marketing if your wallet looks like that.
It's often claimed that you can just start affiliate marketing without investing any money. And that is true to a certain extent. If you're genuinely committed to achieving a certain result, there's posting on social media, there's sharing your links, but it's very crucial if you really want to scale, you set aside some of your funds, right? Especially your profits when you start earning to really scale your business. The affiliate marketers that are earning the 6, 7, even 8-figure income are constantly setting aside a portion of their money. It could be 10%. And if you're feeling really adventurous, it could be up to 40, even 50% of your earnings. You could set that aside to investing into paid ads, investing into mentors, investing into different courses that are actually legit from people you trust, right? So again, it takes time to get results. This goes back to one of the first misconceptions, and it takes effort, right? It takes some real investment. Even tools, things like email autoresponders, which are almost crucial if you want to actually create substantial wealth with affiliate marketing. Even things like funnel builders, right? There is initial costs, but again, comparing it to a brick and mortar where it can take $1 million investment to own like a McDonald's or a Starbucks franchise, the cost to start affiliate marketing business is next to nothing. If you have the financial resources to purchase a pre-existing website, let's say, that generates income, that's one way as well. So again, don't be so holding on to your money and afraid to spend it, right? Be okay to let it go. $49 a month for a funnel builder when you're gonna make thousands of dollars more. You wanna look at it like a business owner, right? This isn't a lottery. This isn't like you're just gonna invest and then, instantly overnight make, thousands of dollars. You wanna look at this like a business. You wanna be willing to invest. It's an expense, okay? And you wanna make sure that you're scaling, right? As you're making money, you're investing that into, again, knowledge, paid ads, tools, courses, etc. Now, another massive misconception is that people believe gurus always provide full transparency and share with you everything you need to know and don't hold on to hidden tactics.
So this is 100% transparency on the affiliate marketing program that I went through.
Internet marketers, affiliate marketer, gurus are constantly concealing knowledge in order to maximize their profits. This approach is used by almost 99% of these marketers. Their primary objective is to entice you to purchase one product, but once you're inside, you'll discover you need to buy their additional products to really maximize their methods, right? It's a clever business tactic on the part of these so-called gurus. This strategy allows them to invest substantial sums into advertising, knowing that they'll be able to recoup most of their expenses rapidly, providing you buy their third, fourth, fifth product down the line, right? These are often called upsells or downsells. This can be good, right? If the person is providing value and obviously they can't cover it all in one course, then naturally you want to invest. Like I said earlier, be willing to invest into your business. However, if people are promising you the world, you want to be very cautious because often they're not delivering, right? And often they're afraid of competition. The reason these so-called gurus out there are hiding the information is they don't want the competition. They don't want other people doing what it is they're teaching. So they actually will give you little bits and pieces so you feel like you're learning, you feel like you're progressing, but in all reality, when you go to apply the method, you realize that there's some things missing, right? And this is actually very, very painful for a lot of people. You know, I remember I used to deal with this over and over again, and that's one of the reasons that I pride myself on really sharing what works. You know, if you've seen a lot of the testimonials on my channel, it's because I believe in abundance. I believe that there's more than enough. We all have ability out there to make tons of money. You know, there's billions of people in the world. Why can't we all have a piece of the pie? So that's why I personally, you know, even shoot these videos. It's important to know when to stop promoting a specific product or service. You know, a lot of these so-called, again, gurus and leaders out there, they're constantly, you know, don't give up, or, you know, keep going, or keep, you know, spamming your link virtually. And it's very important to understand that you want to come at affiliate marketing very technically, you know, very methodically, right? You want to look at it like a process, right? A lot of people, they think if they haven't made a sale within their first 48 hours, because some so-called guru is claiming you can do that, that they're a failure, right? And they need to go harder. And so they're staying up all night. They're so-called grinding, right? They're hitting the pavement. They're sending links to their friends and family. They're constantly, you know, spamming their social media, and they're wondering why people are not buying. And you want to understand that it's a process, right? So you want to understand that everyone is not your customer, right? So many people out there, and I'll see different YouTube videos, oh, everyone's your customer, you know, pitch, pitch, pitch. And what you want to understand is that the riches are in the niches, right? You want to target specific people, and there's a massive amount of people that just aren't qualified for what you're actually selling and promoting. And often it's going to be people that you don't even know. You know, you're not your friends, not your family. It's going to be attracting people that you don't even know. You know, those are some of your best customers. So again, know when to hold them and also know when to fold them. Now, you may be wondering how to actually find legitimate mentors, how to find real, legit affiliate programs to actually join. And I want to cover a few quick tips before I end this video on how to actually find some good programs out there. Before I do though, again, if you want to discover my personal recommendation, after being online for over 10 years, be sure you click the first link directly below and check out my #1 recommendation. Now, to find good programs, consider these tips. #1, reputation and following. Choose programs with a good reputation and a sizable following in the industry. Personal support. Ensure the program offers responsive and helpful personal support, right? Because you may need to reach out and you don't want to have to wait a long time. Also ensure that they have up-to-date video tutorials, right? It's important that you're able to see the different methods so you know what to do click by click. And also look for programs that cover a lot of things in one, right? Complete content. Like I said earlier, try to find one that may not have a lot of missing pieces. You know, you can read user reviews, you can read testimonials, and really make sure that it's a good program. And also the trial period, right? You want to look at, you know, is there a money back guarantee? Is there, you know, some form of where you can test it out, or there's not a big risk? You know, look at different testimonials and make sure that, you know, people are actually saying that they got good results after joining. Remember this, in the world of online marketing, there's no real secrets, right? The information you need is readily available online and it's out there. The key is to actually take action on what you learn and put in that effort. Because success is really up to you. You know, it's your responsibility. You can listen to a mentor, but at the end of the day, you need to apply what you actually learn. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure, if you haven't, click the subscribe button and the bell icon. I'm gonna be covering way more secrets that these so-called gurus are just hiding from you. And also be sure to click the video on the screen right here to get taken to a playlist with much more affiliate marketing training. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.